Good morning, everybody. This is our maths today. For today's session, you will need your home learning pack, and in it you will find a sheet that looks a little bit like this. You will also need the next clean page in your maths book, and what you're going to do is write Tuesday, the 2nd of February 2021 in your neatest handwriting at the top, and then you're going to write learning objective to subtract 2-digit numbers with exchanging, and that is your title. You can copy it from the sheet in your learning pack. Okay, pause the video until you've done that. Thank you, superstars. Right, who's going to sing with me? I love maths, yes I do. I love maths, how about you? We love maths, yes we do. We love maths and we're ready to. Fantastic. Right, star words. My turn, your turn. My turn, tens. Your turn. My turn, ones. Your turn. My turn, part. Whole, part, whole. My turn. Subtraction. Your turn. Take away. Your turn. Difference. Your turn. And again, I've forgotten it again. Very important one. Exchange. Okay, I need you to have your maths objects, that is your tens and your ones. So you need 10 bigger objects for your tens and 10 smaller objects for your ones, something like this. So I've used Lego. In the past I have used pasta and dried beans. I don't know what you have in your house, but I'm sure you'll have something. And if you can't think of anything, get a piece of paper and cut it up into 10 long strips and 10 smaller pieces. Pause the video until you've got your maths objects, and when you're ready, press play again. Okay, we're going to make a number. The number is going to be 16. Pause the video and make the number 16 really quick. Well done. So I've made the number 16 with 1 10 and 6 ones. Let's make another number. 38. Pause the video and make the number 38. Superstar. I'm going to make the number 38 with 3 tens and 8 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just check that mine and yours are the same. Change yours if you need to. Last number we're going to do. Who's going to be the quickest to make it? The number 62. See if you can beat me. I know it has 6 tens. 1 2 3 4 5 6. A bit squishy. And 2 ones. 1 2. Did you get it right? Did you beat me? Okay, so remember, when we're doing subtraction, we sometimes need to exchange. Exchanging means taking a 10 and putting it into the ones column, and then swapping it for 10 ones, because 1 10 has the same value as 10 ones. Let's practice this again. So my subtraction is 32 take away 17. In subtraction, I only make the first number. So I've made the number 32. It has 3 tens and 2 ones. And I'm going to take away the number 17. So I need to take away 1 10 and 7 ones. Where do I start? Tens column or ones column? That's it, the ones column. Can I take away 7 ones from the ones column? No. So I'm going to exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. Magic click. Wonderful. Now I have enough. Now I can take away 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 10. Oh, 1 10. That means that I'm left with 1 10 and 1 2 3 4 5 ones, which is equal to 15. Superstar. Let's try that again. My subtraction is 26 take away 18. So I've made 26, 2 tens and 6 ones. And I'm going to take away 18. I'm going to start in the ones column and take away 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I do not have 8 ones. So what I'm going to do is exchange it then. So I'm going to take a 10 out of the tens column, put it in the ones column, and exchange it for 10 ones. Now I can take away 8 ones. Oh, silly me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 10. I'm left with no tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. The number is... Now I just want to remind you of how we do this in our books. Our calculations might say something like 24 take away 7, but what we can do to help us is draw our own number lines using a ruler. Maybe you could ask an adult to draw you a number line on a piece of paper. The number line needs to go to 40. Let's start here. My subtraction is 24, take away 7. How many jumps do? I do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 17 left. Let's try that again. 32 take away 9. I start at 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 jumps. Takes me to 23. Now when we're going past 10, some people make the same mistake every single time. They forget the number 20 or the number 30. So here Ben is counting back from 82 and he says 82, 81, 79, 78, 77, 76. Can you see Ben forgot the number 80? Oh dear Ben, goodness me. Okay, so I'm just going to remind you how I want you to lay this out in your books. You can choose to use the math subjects, okay, like we did at the start of the video, and that would be okay. But sometimes that's a little bit too tricky, so instead of that you need to ask an adult to help you draw a number line. Okay, so you draw a ruler on your squares, and the number that you started with is the biggest number that you have. So my biggest number here is 12. And it is telling me to do 7 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, that's a bit tricky, isn't it? Because my number line's got no numbers on it. But I can work it out. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Aha. Now, to lay it out properly in my book, I would do 10s and 1s, and I would copy exactly the same. We don't do our working out on our sheet, remember? No. We write it out very neatly in our book. So we would need to do 12 and 7. But because I've worked it out on my number line, I actually know that the answer is 5, don't I? Because I'm a superstar, and so are you. Let's try that again. This time, I want you to copy this calculation in your book. The calculation is 15 take away 8. So do your 10s and your 1s like that. The number is 15 take away 8, okay? Remember, we always use our ruler to underline our calculation, and we always remember the subtraction symbol. 15 take away 8. So I've drawn my line with a ruler, and the biggest number I'm going to start with is 15, and I'm going to count back 8. 1, wait a minute, pause the video and have a go all on your own, then come back to me to check you got it right. Have you had a go? Let's check you got it right. I'm going to take away how many again? Oh, that's right, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I've got no numbers, so I'm going to have to work it out. I know 14 is the number before that. 13 is the number before that. 12 is the number before that. 11, the number before that is 10. Then it's 9, 8, and 7. So the answer is 7. Do the rest of your sums all by yourself. Well done, guys.